Today we will walk you through your first setup with the K480 keyboard. The K480's powerful functionality allows it to connect to both computers and mobile devices on several different operating systems simultaneously. In this demo we will connect an Android phone and an Apple iPad. Okay, let's get started. To turn the keyboard on for the first time, please turn it over and pull the yellow tab from the battery compartment. Out of the box, the keyboard's on-off switch is in the on position, and thus will automatically power on when the yellow tab is pulled. Next, we'll select a channel from the dial. Now we will put the keyboard in discovery mode for the Android phone by pressing the PC button for 3 seconds. You will see the blue light blink repeatedly to indicate the keyboard is searching for an Android device. Now on your Android device, go to All Settings and then choose Wireless and Networks. Tap Bluetooth and confirm it is active. Select Logitech K480 from your list of Bluetooth wireless devices. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Note, if your device requests a PIN, enter the code on your Logitech keyboard 480. Now your keyboard and phone are paired. This will be indicated when the rapidly blinking blue light turns solid blue. Okay, now let's pair the iPad. Turn the selection dial to number 2. Now go to the iOS Mac button and hold down for 3 seconds. Once again, it will be in discovery mode while it looks for an iOS device. Now on your iOS device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth if it's not already active. When a list of Bluetooth wireless devices appear, tap Logitech K480. Your iPad and keyboard are now paired, and once again the blinking light will turn solid blue. Now both your Android phone and iPad are set up, and you can switch back and forth simply by turning the dial to indicate which device you want to use.